Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 13 of Nailmas. Today I am doing an ornament manicure because there is no specific theme and I just kind of felt like it. So I'm going to start off with a base color that's kind of like a minty, hollowy polish that I didn't actually film me painting on, but it is by Stella Chroma and it is called Icy Mint. It is from their latest collection, so I will link it down below. I did review it in a previous video earlier this season. But now it is time to start with the art. For all of this art, I'm going to be using the Orly short detailer brush. Shocker, I know. And some acrylic paint. We're going to start with all white acrylic paint, and I decided to keep the colors very kind of simple in this, so I'm actually only going to be using white and red acrylic paint for this whole design. So I've kind of gone with a fun little kind of minty turquoisey shade with a red shade, kind of Christmas theme, because I've been loving that type of Christmas color combo lately for whatever reason. But now I'm just going in once my ornaments are all dried with some red acrylic paint, and I'm adding details. You can change up the details on each nail. I did this. I also put different shapes on each nail just to kind of keep it a full pattern and, you know, different, which was really fun. So you can make this up as you go. If you want to do it exactly like mine, you can head over to my blog or Instagram and screenshot a picture, and actually you'll see a full shot like you saw earlier later in this video. So if you want, you can screenshot that and do the same kind of shapes that I did if you want. And if you do that, please tag me. I would love to see those and repost them on my Instagram story. But for this ornament specifically, I wanted to make it look like, I don't know what the ornaments are called. I call them geode ornaments because they kind of have that opening on the inside where it goes deeper and then it has sparkles. But for the purpose of this manicure, I just made it white because I wanted to keep the whole red and white theme. Anyway, after I did all of that, I put on a matte top coat. Of course, you could go shiny if you wanted to, but I ended up with this fun little Christmas festive-y look. And I really liked it, and I hope you guys liked it. I feel like this tutorial was kind of all over the place, but it was a very simple watch and follow along tutorial, I think. So that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!